Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Jack. Today I will share my short story. My family lives in a small house. It's simple but pretty. It has a large garden. I like to work in the garden. But my sister hates to work in the garden. She prefers to read. She reads in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. I give all of the vegetables to Mom and Dad. They like to cook in our small kitchen. I eat any vegetable, but my sister eats only a few. My family always eats breakfast and dinner together. We talk, we laugh. Then my sister washes the dishes. At night, Dad likes to listen to music. Mom works on the computer. I watch television. And my sister reads. Soon we go to bed. My parents go to bed late. But my sister and I go to bed early. I'm ready to go to sleep. But my sister wants to keep reading.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.